Okay, so we got the 3500 amp jump starter. I got this one in particular because I like the air compressor setup on these. I have another one with a compressor that's actually just a separate compressor, and it's just this takes up about the same amount of space, and I have the jump starter too. In fact, this takes up only half the space the other one does. So this is really nice, and you can just set your pounds to whatever you want. Got it set at 35 here. Hit it Okay, so finally got it go to 35. So it stops automatically at the pressure you get set. This one has a nice light for working at night also. So get nice and bright. It also has some other functions on the light. It's got a flashing red and an SOS and off. This one, you just plug this into the side here. This is a typical of these smart jumpers. This one, then you have to push the boost to get your green light for a go. And once you're hooked up to the battery, I believe it gets another green light then, it said. It comes with a few fittings for the air. Comes with a a charging cable, or a cable you can use for charging your phone. Has a USB output, USB input. Extra, you would have to have a separate cigarette lighter plug or whatever for it. I didn't get it with this one, so I don't think it comes with it. I don't think they forgot it. Complete user manual tells you how to do all that stuff. Anyway, I love this. They take up so much less room than having to carry individual air compressor or something, and I use it quite often when I'm going down the road. Find out my car's got one slow leaking tire, so it's a must-have for me.
My review of the VTOMAN. So I'll set this up like it told me to. I have it set for 30 psi. Let's turn it on. Oh, I guess my wheel's at 30 psi. Cool. All right. Let's try for the next wheel. But this is just showing that it does have the ability to choose your PSI. And it's doing this on its own battery. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. Oh, 30 PSI, perfect. Now this wheel. Okay. Finally, this back wheel right here. Now, it doesn't tell you what the current PSI is, but it does stop when it should. Alright, cool. Looks like I only had a little problem on my one wheel.
Okay, this is a technical support ticket I want to send in for the VTOMAN 2500A jump starter air compressor I bought on Amazon. I bought it. First thing I did was cycle through all the menus and turn the light on. I can't do that anymore. I spent a good couple weeks just trying to get it to charge. I used the cable that came with it, plugged it into laptop, some other things. I have a USB charger that I use for all my other devices. I've tried this. I've tried a directly into the wall with another cable. I tried multiple different cables. I don't know if this just isn't charging or if there's something wrong with cycling through the menus. I just have a hard time. Couldn't get the light to come on. Just not sure what's going on with this. So if someone from technical support could reach out, give me some advice here, I would appreciate it. Thank you.
A quick review of this device right here. Yesterday I tried jumping a car with it, and it did well. Had a friend with an alternator, and it was causing this car to stall out, so I was able to get it started with this, and it worked great. This I'm just going to inflate the tire. It's currently at 29. I have it set to 34, and when I hit the power button again, it should fill it up to 34 and stop. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
So, yeah, go ahead. So it's dead. Hold on. Key off. All right. We'll hook this guy up here. Okay, try now. And just wait a second. So we're connected. And there's one. Okay, try again. Nothing. So I've had to use this thing a couple times to jump a battery. This thing was completely dead, and this thing jumped it like nothing.
It looks scratched. I just got it out of the bag, like literally. Like, what is that?